I figured I would show you how these Milwaukee packout mounts work really quick so that this will make your install a little bit easier. But these plates are what you're gonna get in the mail with the washers on them and the lock nuts. And basically how these work is you're going to bolt the through hole side into your tunnel. You can put some rubber mat underneath this if you want to not scratch up your paint. If you have a painted tunnel, for me, I don't care because these are aluminum, this is aluminum. I don't think it's gonna really scratch it up much, and it doesn't really move hardly at all anyway, so should be good. I don't supply these carriage bolts. Your sled should have come with some of those at the very least, but these are studs. These are pressed in and they do not spin. So anyway, all you have to do is take these and then lay your Milwaukee packout plate on top. I do not supply this. You have to purchase your own, or if you already have one, that's even better. If you'd like to do a double wide setup like I have, you can just buy 2 of these, 2 sets of the plates, and then you can do the larger cases as well. But I'll go ahead and lay this on top and show you how to bolt it on. Okay, so you get this on. If you have 2, you're gonna slide them as close together as they can because they do have like a little interlocking feature in the middle. And then you're just going to toss on your washers and tighten them up. These studs might be a little bit tight, but that's by design. I wanted it to be a tight fit, so you might have to kind of shove it on there just a little bit, but it should fit just right on. So I'm gonna go ahead and bolt this down, and that's pretty much installation finished. It's real simple, real easy. So the only thing that might be weird for you is trying to get each plate in the same spot on both sides. But a quick way you could figure that out is to just push it through these holes on the Milwaukee and then hold it down as you pull up on it. There's a few different ways you can do it. You can have them loose with the carriage bolts and pop this on so that it's at least holding it on, then pull it up. But anyway, pretty easy, pretty straightforward, nothing too crazy.